Kaolinite minerals are composed of kaolinite cluster minerals such as kaolinite, crescite, pearlite, and halite, and the main mineral component is kaolinite. The intuitive feeling of the personnel cannot be used to detect the kaolin ball press, with higher precision requirements, and the inspectors are required to have rich experience. A large number of inspection work is carried out with instruments and tools. Because the principle and type of instruments and tools are different, it can be divided into universal measuring tools, special measuring tools, ball press instruments and meters, optical instruments and electronic instruments, etc. This is the use of electricity, magnetic, light, sound, heat and other physical quantities through the workpiece, caused by the change, to detect the technical status of the ball press, is a method. This method is usually used to check the kaolin ball press internal hidden defects, without damaging the kaolin ball press itself, and now commonly called non-destructive testing.